Oh, hi everyone, my name is Karin Marton. That used to be me, but today I'm 31 years old. I was born and raised in Carmiel, moved to Haifa, did my BA in Asian Studies, and then I ran away from there after 5 years. So in the past 3 years I've been living in Givatayim with my husband Sagi. I work at Deloitte Catalyst, which is the innovation arm of Deloitte, and I'm doing business development, selling our services for startups. My job involves speaking English every day. I'm working with the Americans, West Coast, East Coast, doesn't matter. And so we have like these monthly calls with them. And for the past 3 months, I held a whole conversation, like a whole meeting by myself, and it was amazing, and my confidence got up. I mean, I really felt like I can do it. So my manager just assigned this to me, and she's not joining our meeting, our monthly meetings anymore, and so it's a great achievement. I think that the feedbacks I got in the past 2-3 months on my English from my American co-workers are priceless. The Express community is basically the reason that I joined English Express. Besides you guys, which I love and adore, what's amazing is that we are from the same field of interest, plus minus, give or take, which is great, so we have a lot of things to discuss on. I don't know, it's something to be a part of, which is really great, and not everyone has that, so I think that's the major thing that brought me to Express. I didn't believe that I would give a presentation like tonight, but also because I'm super anxious about it and I don't like giving presentations, but it was good. I made a good research and I learned a lot, so that's a great thing. I think that everyone had fun tonight, which is important.